Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Vega Adore hair straightener. First, ensure your hair is completely dry and free of tangles. This prevents damage and ensures smooth results. Next, apply a good quality heat protectant spray throughout your hair. This crucial step shields your strands from the heat. Finally, plug in your Vega Adore straightener and allow it to heat up to your chosen temperature. Now let's talk about technique. Divide your hair into small, manageable sections, ideally 1 to 2 inches wide. This ensures each strand receives adequate heat. Take one section, place it between the straightener's plates near the roots, and close them firmly. Then, in one smooth, continuous motion, glide the straightener down to the ends. Avoid stopping or holding the straightener in one spot to prevent heat damage. The Vega Adore isn't just for straight hair. For a sleek look, simply pull the straightener straight down. To add beautiful waves or soft curls, rotate the straightener 180 degrees as you glide it through each section. Remember to adjust the temperature according to your hair type. Lower temperatures are best for fine or damaged hair, while thicker hair may require a slightly higher setting for optimal results. Once you've styled all your hair, let it cool completely before touching it or applying any products. This helps set the style and adds longevity. A light finishing serum can add shine, or a touch of hairspray can provide extra hold. After use, always unplug your Vega Adore straightener and allow it to cool down. Then, gently wipe the plates with a damp cloth to remove any product residue, keeping it ready for your next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.